Has anybody ever asked you the question, hey, what do you do for a living? Of course they have, like thousands of times. We've all answered that question thousands of times. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to take that simple question and turn it into $700 commissions. And I'm going to show you a simple technique, which is like almost zero tech. If you can copy and paste, if you can send a text message, you can do this if you have a phone. And I'm going to turn like idle talk into money. So before I go on, please subscribe to the YouTube channel and let's get into it. All right. So the first thing you need to do is to come to this page at toprankedvideo.com and join our affiliate program for free for our video marketing service, where we do video marketing, SEO for local businesses. So you come here and you sign up for free. Right here, join now for free. You come here, you fill out this form, you choose a username, and you are going to get an affiliate link. So you're going to get an affiliate link that looks like this, and that's going to be your affiliate link. So put that aside, copy and paste it, put it in a sticky notes, whatever you need to do. Now, the service you're promoting, what it does, it helps local businesses get more sales and leads. And how does it do that? It does it by creating videos and making sure that their local business completely dominates YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook as well for their local market. For example, one of our customers is a mold tester from Chevy Chase, Maryland. And if you type that into YouTube, every single video promotes him. It's almost like he doesn't have any competition. So it's a great service. Anybody with a local business would definitely want to dominate YouTube for all their local keywords. So anytime somebody was looking for their type of business in their city, they're going to find nothing but videos about their business. So it's a very good service, and it gets them lots of leads. And it's something they're not doing very well themselves. So that's what you're promoting, an excellent service that really helps local businesses. Okay, so how do you find these customers? Well, there's lots of ways, but one way, which is very obvious, is that you have local businesses all around you. You know people who own local businesses. You patronize local businesses. And everyone you know knows people who patronize local businesses. They're everywhere. So the next time somebody asks you, what do you do for a living? You can say, you know what? I started working with this guy who helps local businesses get more sales and leads for their business. And you just be quiet. And if their interest perks up, say, wow, tell me more about that. What is that? And how do you do that? You said, listen, give me your number and I'll text you a link. So you take their number. This is something you've done many times for all kinds of other purposes that don't make you money. All right. So go ahead and get their number and then send them the link, your affiliate link that I just showed you. Right here. Don't send them this one because it's somebody else's affiliate link. Your username will be right here, but you get the idea. And just copy and paste it. Have it on your computer somewhere, or on a sticky notes on your phone or on your computer, your affiliate link. You could even use a link shortening service if you want, like qseo.cc. I'll put the link below. Send them the link. It's that easy. It's that easy. This is no stress. You just send them the link and you can earn, if they order, between $500 to $700 in commissions. And if they have questions, I'll talk to them. But if they've clicked your link, it creates a cookie that lasts for a year and you will get credit for the sale because nobody can order directly over the phone. They can talk to me over the phone, but they can't order over the phone. So they'd have to click a link to order. So you're going to get credit. You just have to send that link. And you can take a idle chat of people asking you what you do for a living and repeating the same boring questions and the same boring answers. Or you can change it up a little bit and send them something where, hey, you got a chance at making some money with no extra effort on your part. You just send them the link. And whatever happens after that is up to us. We've set the cookie. It's your person. We close the sale. And, you can earn up to $700 in commissions. So if this interests you, go ahead and comment local leads below, and I'll send you the link this direct link to this page where you can sign up for free if you haven't done so already. Now, what if you want to take it a little further, but you don't want to work very hard? Okay, here's what you do. You can also post this link on your Facebook page, your personal Facebook page, and you can ask everyone, hey, do you know anybody who owns a local business who might benefit from this service? Or do you know anybody who has a local business that wants more sales and leads? Please forward this. Send it to your personal contact list on your own Facebook account. And then you can also send it to all your contacts in your phone. So those are 3 ways that you can make very easy affiliate commissions, really with no tech work at all. Just not even any time either, because it's just part of your regular day. Take some time that you would waste on social media and just post this instead of some stupid meme. Okay, you have a chance at making some money. Now, these are just some techniques to get you started with this. Now, I have a more in-depth strategy, and I'm going to be coming out with more videos with more in-depth strategies on how to get this local market, because it's huge. There's local businesses everywhere. But I have another video I did which shows how to use YouTube to leverage affiliate sales for local marketing for this exact program. So I'll put that right there below so you can click it. And if you want to get this page, like I said, directly sent to you, comment local leads, I'll send this to you. I'll also send you the video where it goes into the more in-depth technique you can use with YouTube as well. So go ahead and get started. I'll put this in the description too, so you can go click the link in the description or comment local leads. I'll send you everything, and I look forward to paying you $500 to $700 affiliate commissions. Thanks so much. This is Matt May with QuickRegisterSEO.com and TopRankedVideo.com.